Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and of course over here we can slide down in order to reboot the phone. Once it reboots, press and hold volume up, and just keep holding all the time until you see the recovery mode. So just keep holding. Soon you should see the POCO logo, and then there we go. Of course I'm still holding volume up button, and soon after that we should see the recovery mode. There we go, now we are in the recovery mode. Over here we navigate in this menu by using volume buttons, and you can confirm your selected option by choosing the power button. If you want to exit the recovery mode, just choose the reboot option over here, and then confirm by choosing reboot to system. Your phone will restart and go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.